Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer E TRADE MFA to a new phone securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer your E TRADE Multi-Factor Authentication to a new phone securely, start by ensuring both your old and new devices are fully charged. On your old phone, open the E TRADE mobile app. Log in to your E TRADE account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Profile section of the app. Locate the Multi-Factor Authentication settings. Select the option to manage your authentication methods. Take note of your current MFA method, such as a text message or an authenticator app. On your new phone, download and install the E TRADE app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app on your new device and begin the login process. Use the same credentials you used on your old phone. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up MFA. Choose the option to receive an MFA code via your preferred method. If you're using an authenticator app, select that option and follow the on-screen instructions to link. When prompted, scan the QR code displayed on your old phone's E TRADE app with your authenticator app on your new phone. Wait for the code to be generated on your new device. Enter the code displayed on your new phone back into the E TRADE app. Confirm the code to complete the MFA setup on your new device. Once confirmed, ensure you have backup codes saved for future access. For security, remove the old phone from your E TRADE account settings. Log out of the E TRADE app on your old phone once you confirm the transfer is successful. Test the new setup by logging out and logging back into your E TRADE account on your new phone. If everything is working correctly, you have successfully transferred your MFA to your new phone. Keep your new device secure by enabling additional security features, like biometrics or a passcode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.